Welcome to Inclusive World Technology.
Hi friends, this is Neha Kulkarni again and I'm back with another video about Microsoft Word. If you haven't checked, I have done a video before on Microsoft Word itself, explaining all about editing, navigation and selection. So if you want, you can check out that also. Along with this, please watch this video throughout, and if you like it, do like it and share it and subscribe if you haven't done it already. Okay, let's begin. Today I'm going to explain you about the layout of the Microsoft Word along with formatting. Okay, layout. The layout is nothing but how the elements in the Microsoft Word are arranged. And what are the elements in the Microsoft Word? So, shall we see this today now? Okay, let me begin. Let me open a new Microsoft Word through Run dialog box again. You can also open with Start menu, but better use shortcut through Run dialog box.
Run dialog, type W, selection remove IN-WORD.
I've typed WinWord.
Desktop list, Word, home grouping, good evening, new grouping, list, blank document, document 1, Microsoft Word document, edit multi-line, page 1, section 1, blank.
Okay, this is a new blank document again. So, what are the elements present in a Microsoft Word? There are 5 major elements in a Microsoft Word. That is title bar, quick access toolbar, menu bar or ribbon, you can tell, and work area or edit area or document area, you can tell, and status bar. So what is title bar? Title bar is a horizontal bar exactly situated in the center, top center of any Word document, and it displays the file name along with the application. Okay, it shows the application name as well as along with the file name. Since this is a blank document which I haven't saved with the name, it is document 1. This file name is document 1. And how to read the title bar? You already know that. Insert the
document 1 word.
Say document 1 word. So it is telling about the application name as well as the file name. So this is in the top center and it is a horizontal bar. And next let's move to a quick access toolbar. What is a quick access toolbar? This quick access toolbar is also a horizontal bar situated on the top left, exactly to the left of the title bar, and it has mostly used commands. The buttons, you can tell, which are mostly used are situated in this toolbar. So to go through to the quick access toolbar, you can use the command Alt up arrow.
Ribbon tabs, tab control expanded, home tab select quick access toolbar, can't repeat button unavailable, can't repeat, control plus Y, Alt, 3 control plus Y.
See, we went to the quick access toolbar by pressing Alt up arrow. And let me escape to come back to the work area.
Document 1, Microsoft Word document, edit multi-line, page 1, section 1, blank.
See, if you press escape, you'll come back to the work area. So below this title bar, there is a menu bar, and that menu in the Word document is called ribbon. It has many features like home tab, design tab, insert tab, and so on, up to view, help. So let me show. If just press the Alt key, you'll go to the ribbon. The menu bar, it is also a horizontal bar situated below the title bar.
Ribbon tabs, tab control expanded, home tab selected, Alt, H2 of 10.
See, I have pressed Alt key and I come to the ribbon or the menu bar. And here the items are arranged left to right. So you can use left arrow to go to the different tabs here. Now we are on the home tab. If I'm pressing right arrow,
Insert tab selected Alt N3 of 10.
see insert, and I'm press right arrow again.
Design layout tab selected Alt. Design tab selected
Design tab.
Alt D4 of 10.
I went to the layout and came back to left arrow. So here it is, design tab.
Layout tab selected
Layout
Alt
tab.
D5 of 10. References tab selected Alt S6 of 10.
References tab.
Mailings tab selected Alt N7 of
Mailings
10.
tab.
Review tab selected Alt R8 of 10.
Review.
View tab selected Alt W9 of 10.
View.
Help tab selected Alt Y10 of 10.
So there are 10 items from H to H, you can say home to help. So there are 10 items on the menu bar or the ribbon of the Word document. So to navigate from one tab to another, use left arrow and right arrow. And if you want to go inside the tab, you can use tab and shift tab. Okay, let me show that too. I'll escape.
Document 1, Microsoft Word document edit multi-line, page 1 section 1 blank.
I'll press Alt key again.
Ribbon tabs tab control expanded, help tab selected Alt H. Home tab selected Alt H2 of 10.
The thing is, whenever you navigate through a tab in this ribbon, so the NVDA will announce the tab name along with the control key, like Alt H. If you directly press Alt H, you'll come to the home tab. So if you directly press
Insert tab selected Alt N3 of 10.
Alt N, you'll come to the insert tab. So you can use that too. So that is one more thing. Okay, let me enter into the insert tab here using tab.
Insert grouping, pages grouping, cover page. Your document will make a great first impression with a stylish blank page button. Add a blank page anywhere in your document.
I'm using
Alt
tab
NP.
and shift tab.
Cover page. Your document will make a great first impression with a stylish cover page. Make it your own.
Okay, you got that, I think. Let me escape and come back.
Document 1, Microsoft Word document edit multi-line, page 1 section 1 blank.
So this is about a ribbon or menu bar of the Microsoft Word. So next major element is the work area or the edit area, which is the major part of the Microsoft Word is edit area. It is below ribbon. So this edit area or the document area is not exactly situated below the ribbon, because below the ribbon there is a ruler, and below that this work area is present, and this work area covers, as I told you, the major part of your document. So in this edit area, the cursor is usually present, and whenever you enter any document, your focus will be in the edit area itself. So, and this is the major element. And next element is status bar. The status bar is also an horizontal bar situated in the bottom of your document, and it displays items like page number, word count, and it is usually helpful when you're writing large documents. You'll get to know like how many words you have written, what is your page number, what spelling error is there, and grammar error is shown here. So these all elements are present in the status bar. To go to that, you can use F6. By using F6, the focus will always toggle between, it will move between work area, status bar and menu bar. But you can use another command as well. You can use insert N to directly read the status bar. Let me show that.
Status bar page number page 1 of 1 word count 0 words spelling and grammar check no errors language English United States read mode print layout web layout zoom out zoom 50 zoom in zoom 100%.
So these many items are present in your status bar. Like it is telling word count 0 because it is a blank document, and page number 1, and there are no errors of grammar. That is also because there is nothing written. So this is the thing in the status bar. So these are the major elements of your Word document, beginning from title bar to status bar. Okay, I hope you got it this one. So let us see what is formatting. Okay, I'll write some words before explaining that.
INDODUCTMY space AANE space RS space EHA. So introduction blank.
So I've written something here. So I want to make some formatting. Formatting is nothing but making your text more presentable to a sighted, like giving it is different theme, style and size. It will make more presentable. So it will be good to view, like for example, in a properly formatted text, your headings will be having different format and the subheadings will be having different style and size, and text will be having different things. So this you can make by using so many options like font style and color, giving different color. That's also, I'll show that.
Introduction.
Here there is a word called introduction, and I want to give different style, theme and color to this word. And what shall I do? First of all, I'll select this word by using Shift Control right arrow.
Introduction selected.
Okay, I've selected this. Now I can format this by going directly through a home tab and making changes one by one. But instead of that, I can use one more option here, that is font dialog box. That font dialog box can be opened by using Ctrl D.
Font dialog, font color, effects. This is the body theme font. The current document theme defines which font will be used. Font, edit Alt plus F, selected plus body.
The first one is the theme, and the theme of this text is plus body, and I want to change it to Arial. And how can I change it? I can use down arrow here but to go to different options.
Plus headings, agency FB, Algerian, select Arial, selected Arial.
So I've come to the Arial. Now my focus is on Arial.
Font, edit focused Alt plus F, selected Arial.
So I've checked it, is it selected or not, by using Insert tab. It has been selected. So I've choose my theme. I'll make changes to its style.
Font style, edit Alt plus Y, selected regular.
Font style is regular here, but I want to make it bold. Bold is nothing but making it thicker. I'll use down arrow here again.
Italic, selected italic.
Second option is italic.
Bold, selected bold.
Bold. There's one more option called
bold italic, select bold italic.
Bold italic, but I want to make it bold.
Bold, selected bold.
Bold will make it thicker and italic will make it more stylish, but I want just bold. So my focus is on bold and it is selected.
Font style, edit focused Alt plus Y, selected bold.
See, it is selected, bold is selected here, and I've checked it by using Insert tab.
Size, edit Alt plus S, selected 11.
I want to enlarge size of those characters of that word. Then I can make changes to its size. It is 11 now. I want to make it 16.
12, selected, 14, 16.
I've used down arrow. Remember, from one options to another, I'm using tab. From theme to style, style to size, I came through by using tab, and you can go back as well by using shift tab. But to navigate through these options, different options in a particular menu, I'm using down arrow and up arrow.
Size, edit focused Alt plus S, selected 16.
16 is selected.
Font color automatic button.
Font color is automatic here, and it is default, it is black, but I want to make it something else. Then I'll use down arrow again.
Color picker window automatic. Color picker lid. Theme color through blue. Accent 1. Lighter 80% RGB. 217. 226. 243.
There is blue color, but I want something else. I can use right arrow here to go to some other color.
Orange. Accent 2. Lighter 80% RGB. 251. Theme color through orange. Orange. Accent 2. Lighter 60% gray. Accent 3. Lighter 60% RGB. 219. 219. 219.
I'll select gray. I'll press enter on it.
Font dialog. Font color. Effects. This is a true type. Font color. Accent 3. Button focus.
The gray has been selected. The different type of accent is nothing but the intensity of that color. Okay. Now
underline style. Combo box. Alt plus U.
Next option is underline. There are different styles of underline here. I'll use down arrow again.
Underline style. Single. Double. Thick. Dotted. Dotted heavy. Dash. Dotted
okay,
heavy.
I'll select this dotted heavy again.
Underline color automatic button.
There's again underline color. You can choose color for your underline. It is same as font color. You can use that. But I'll skip this.
Strike through checkbox not checked Alt plus K.
There's an option called strike through. Strike through, if you check this.
Space checked.
I've checked it by using space. If you check this option, there will be a vertical. It is like scratching your present text. Like there will be a horizontal line through your text if you select this option.
Double strike through checkbox not checked Alt plus L.
There is next option is double strike through. Again, it is scratching your text by double line. But I'll skip this.
Superscript, subscript, small caps, checkbox not checked Alt plus A.
I'm using tab here, and there are options called superscript, subscript. I'll tell you about them later. Let me press OK here.
Hidden set as text if OK button. Document 1 Word. Document 1 Microsoft Word document edit multi-line. Selected introduction.
So I have made changes to this introduction word. How can I know is it changed or not? There is a command here that is insert F.
Style normal Arial 16 pt light gray bold strike through underline the line left line spacing 1.1 lines.
See, these many changes are happening to my selected text. So these are the options you can use to make it more presentable. Depends on you. You can align it to center, to right, to left. Usually the heading will be in the center. I can use directly shortcut key, that is Ctrl E.
Centered.
I pressed Ctrl E. Let me check again by pressing insert F. It is centered, aligned or not.
Style normal Arial 16 pt light gray bold strike through underline the line center line spacing 1.1 lines.
Center line spacing. So now the word introduction is exactly in the center. Similarly, if you want to make it right, you can use Ctrl R.
Right aligned.
If you want to make it left aligned, you can use Ctrl left.
Toolbar, search document edit, document 1, Microsoft Word document edit multi-line, selected introduction.
You can use Control L to make it left aligned,
Left aligned.
but I'll keep it in the center by using Control E.
Centered. H1 section H2O.
So there is an option called superscript and subscript. What are those? In a font dialog box, I'll tell you.
H blank H2O.
There is a word called H2O here, and the 2 must be slightly downwards to H. Between H2O, the 2 must be slightly down, because while writing H2O, the 2 will be always slightly down the characters. How can you make that? That by using the option called subscript. For that, first you need to select that character.
H line feed blank H2O H2 2 selected.
I've selected that 2 by using shift right arrow, and I'll open font dialog box again.
Font dialog, font color effects. This is the body theme font.
And I'll go to option subscript by using tab.
Font size, font color, underlined, strike, double, superscript, subscript, checkbox not checked, alt space checked.
I've come to the subscript and I've checked it by using spacebar.
Small ball hidden, set as texted, OK button, cancel button, OK button.
And again came to OK button by using tab.
Document 1 Word, document 1, Microsoft Word document, edit multi-line, selected 2.
So the 2 is subscript of this. It is subscript. It is slightly down or not. How can we check? Again by using insert F.
Style normal calibre 11 PT default color subscript align left line spacing 1.1 lines.
See, it is telling subscript. It means the 2 is down to H. It is slightly down. Okay. There is another option called superscript. It is the reverse of subscript. That is making the characters appear top of any character. Like
Page 1 section 1/3.
there is a word here, third. It is 3RD.
3 RD. 8 third. 3 RD. 3.
So I want to make this RD come above 3. Then I'll use superscript option in the font dialog box, and for that I need to select RD.
R select, deselected.
I've selected RD. I'll go to the font dialog box.
Font dialog, font size, font underline, strike, double strike through, check, superscript, checkbox, space, not checked. Space, checked.
So I've checked the superscript.
Subscript, small ball hidden, set as texted, OK button. Document 1 Word, document 1, Microsoft Word document, edit multi-line, selected RD.
And I've made the changes, and I'll check it again.
Style normal calibre 11 PT default color superscript align left line spacing 1.1 lines.
See, it is superscript.
Page 1 section 1 My name is Neha.
So these are the options in the font dialog box. Remember, there are shortcuts to make changes. See, there is a line here, my name is Neha.
My name is Neha. M.
I'll select all these characters.
My select name is select Neha selected.
I want to enlarge its size. I can use shortcut Shift Control full stop.
12-point font. 14-point font. 16-point font.
Say the font size is increasing here, and it is a shortcut Shift Control full stop. It is increasing by 2 point.
Style normal calibre 16 PT default color align left line spacing 1.1 lines.
But I want to just increase by 1 point, and then I'll use Control right bracket.
15-point font.
Sorry, I have used control left bracket. It is slightly reduced, but I'll use control right bracket.
16-point font. 17-point font.
So it is increasing by 1 point. I want to decrease it by 2 points. Then I'll use shift control comma.
16-point font. 14-point font. 12-point font.
See, it is reducing by 2 points. If I want to reduce it by 1 point, then control left bracket.
11-point font. 10-point font. 9-point font.
It has come to 9 point. I can make it bold by using shortcut key control B as well.
Bold on. Style normal calibri NVDA default color bold align left line spacing 1.1 lines.
So bold is on. Directly I've used control B here. If I want to make it italic, then I can use control I.
Italic on. Style normal calibri NVDA default color bold italic align left line spacing 1.1 lines.
Since I've used control B and control I both, it is bold italic. So this is the thing. So these are different options to make changes to format your text. So these options are also present in a home tab. You can directly go there and use, but you can use through font dialog box, and you can use these many shortcuts. These are all used to make your document more presentable. Usually the headings will be more bold and the font size will be more large, and like for example it will be 16 usually, and subheadings will be having 14 and your normal text to 12 or 11. And usually the themes regularly used are like Arial, New Times Roman. So these are different themes which are usually used to make it more presentable. So these are all changes you can make make it by using font dialog box and or by going through home tab. You can go there and navigate by using tab. You'll get to know. And there's shortcuts as well. For bold it is control B, for italic it is control I. To make changes to the size, you can use shift control comma or full stop for increasing or decreasing the size by 2 points. And if you want to increase or decrease by 1 point, then you can use control right bracket or left bracket. And you can use options like superscript, subscript for specific words, and you can make alignments like making it center or left or right. Usually the headings will be in the center, so you can make it by using control E, or you can align to the left. The text can be aligned to the left, or the subheadings can be aligned to the left by using control L. And usually the publisher name, like it is written by, are always aligned to the right at the top at the bottom. You can make it by using control R. So these are the options that you can normally use to change your text to make it more presentable. So this is all about some options for your formatting. So, and also the layout of the word. I hope you like it. If you do like it, please press the like button and share it as well. Thank you. I'll be back again. See you.